just picks up and goes, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't expect it to be that fast, completely honest. So hello people, this is Moscarblog. We are currently in the new BMW M2, the G87, and I'm now taking it onto the Autobahn. So let's go, full throttle. This car is so fast. Wow, it's really fast. We need to brake here a little bit. But this car goes, it feels like an M3 or M4 because, as I've mentioned in my review, this has the M4 engine, the M4 suspension and a lot of other components. So this is a small version of the M4, which is what you really want in a car like this. Rear-wheel drive and all the goodies. What a sound. Sounds like a monster. So now after he will go right, we will have a little bit of space. There. And now I'll give it full throttle. Instant pickup, 180, 190, 200 already, and now we need to brake again. But this car is doing such a great job. It's a little bit stiff because of the 21-inch wheels at the back, 20-inch at the front, 21 at the back, and performance wheels. Oh, this car just picks up and goes, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't expect it to be that fast, completely honest. 180, 190, 200. And it drives so well around the corners, it doesn't care about the corners. Again. This is one of the worst Autobahns ever. It's like bumpy and 2 lanes and it's curvy, but the M2 is doing such an amazing job here. And it's so fun to drive here. So people, let's now measure the 100-200 of the new BMW M2. 2 people, full tank. So not the best of conditions and a curvy road, but let's go. 130 already, 150, 160, 170. I hope we can do it. 180, 200, that should be the measurement. And now we'll test the brakes. Great brakes on this M2. But let's go. 130 already, 150, 160, 170. I hope we can do it. 180, 200, that should be the measurement. And now we'll test the brakes. Great brakes on this M2. So we measured an amazing 8.1 seconds with 2 people and a full tank. 8.1! The last F82 M4 needed like 9 seconds, 9.5. 8.1! That's absolutely insane! I can't even believe that. I measured with the SL63 an 8.5. The Audi RS6 has an 8.5. We did it 8.1 seconds. This car is absolutely insane. So people, there's a little tunnel here. So let's listen to the M2 how it sounds inside that tunnel. Whoa! So people, let's try to measure another 100-200 here with the new M2 competition. Let's go. 170, 180, 190, in a corner, 200, 210, 220. That should be the measurement. So people, this time we measured at 8.82 seconds, which is also pretty good. As you see, the conditions here are not the best. Everything is curvy and stuff, so I can't do a proper measurement, but to reach these numbers with 2 people and a full tank and an M2, that was never possible before. So now I will test the brakes. The brakes, they are insane. So people, I will now turn around and then go back to the other Autobahn side. So people, that M2 is clearly faster than I would have expected it ever to be. 8 second, 8.1, 100-200 is absolutely mind-blowing for an M2. And let's floor it again here. Goodbye to everyone else. Need to brake here again. but this car just moves. It's honestly M3, M4 fast. It feels absolutely the same way in acceleration. It's madness. And it's so sporty and it's small. It's a small sports car. They made the M2 really good, the new one. Like, there's competitors of this car, but they are not real coupes like this one. The Audi RS3 and the A45S. And those cars don't come close to the performance of the M2. I think the A45S had a 10 point something seconds, 100, 200 with me. And the RS3 will be the same. But this thing here did it 8 point seconds. It's faster than an Audi RS6. Can you believe that? And that's uphill here again. This car is so cool. It's not stopping. It's the best car of its class. And I think it looks really good. I really like the white arches on it, especially with these M performance parts. It looks super crazy. And you should definitely consider the BMW M2 if you are in the market for it. So people, this was my Autobahn video with the brand new BMW M2 G87. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to check out the review of this car to see the beautiful black spec with the M Performance parts and the M Performance exhaust tips and stuff like that. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.